Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So, I'm actually shooting an impromptu video right now because this is what happens when I get excited about a new product that's affordable and extremely good quality, and I really had to just come here and talk to you guys about it. So, if you guys know that if you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I really love the Nicka K eyeshadow palettes. I feel like they're just so good in terms of the formula. They're extremely pigmented, they blend nicely, and the shade selection is just so good. You'll definitely find like a palette for yourself with the colors that you particularly like. They have some amazing like bright neon shades. They also have really good like neutral shades and warm tones as well. Definitely check them out because they only retail for around 300 to 350 rupees on Nykaa. I'm going to leave all of the links in the description box below. For 300 rupees, I feel like the quality on these eyeshadows is so good, especially the shimmers. And I have done a lot of tutorials on my Instagram page, using these palettes as well. So definitely check that out. And the reason I am so excited is because I saw that they've come out with 2 new palettes, and these are like bigger palettes. And this is what they look like, and as soon as I saw them, I knew that I had to get my hands on them because look at the shades, how colorful, and the shimmer shades were just calling my name. In these mini ones you get 9 shades, but in these bigger ones you get 21 shades, and all of this is for 750 rupees. So I mean, you definitely cannot go wrong with it. Like, if you love experimenting with eyeshadow looks, or you just want a palette with more color options, this is something that you should get your hands on. For 750 bucks, the shade range is just so beautiful, and I'm actually going to swatch these shimmer shades for you so you can see how beautiful they are. Like, they almost look like foiled eyeshadows. So this one is the spiced up one, which has more of your warmer tones, and they also have some really nice plum shades over here. And then you have this other one which is called as Sugar Coat, which is so pretty. Just look at this, and they feel really nice in terms of the packaging as well. Like, they don't feel cheap at all. First, let's watch some shades from the Sugar Coat palette. So this is like a middle row with all matte shades, and then you have shimmers on top. I'm not going to swatch a lot of matte shades because honestly the swatches don't show up well, but that's not because the formula is bad. It's just how matte shades are in general, or you always need to create eye looks with it to see if the formula of the eyeshadows is good or not, rather than just swatching it on your hands. So I'm actually just going to swatch this shade right here. Look at that. And this is the pigment. It's so nice. Then let's swatch like a really shimmery shade. Probably this one right here. Look at that. It's like a pressed glitter almost. Oh my god. With this eyeshadow palette, the only thing I would say is that there is fallout, so make sure that you do your eye makeup first and then you do your base. Then I'm going to be swatching this bright pink over here. Look at that. It's so nice and feels nice as well. Doesn't feel powdery or chalky. Then we have this beautiful blue color. Wow. Look at that. It's stunning. And then let's swatch another of this color right here. Again, this has a very different formula. Look at that. It's so pretty. And then we have this beautiful like gold shade right here. That will look stunning. Then we have the spiced up palette. Again, like a row of mattes in the center, and then you have shimmers on the top and bottom. This color right here, oh my god, look at that. Can you all see this? Like, this is no joke. It feels so good, and this insane like formula on it. It's so metallic. This color right here, which is like a nice orange. So yeah, this is how that one looks like. It's a bit chalky as compared to the other shades, which were really nice and creamy, but that's also because maybe it's a matte shade which is really bright, and it's very difficult to get the formula right on those shades. And this shade, can you see this? I'm going to swatch it for you. It's like straight up glitter. Look at that. Look how stunning this is. If you still want to try out the smaller palettes because you feel like getting a bigger one is still a bit of an investment for you, then check out these ones. Like the ones that I really love are this one, which is Autumn Spice. It looks like this. Beautiful shades. All of these shimmer shades are to die for. Even the matte ones are really good. Then we have Mocha Mix, which is most of the times out of stock, but this is again so nice with all these neutrals in it. If you all want something colorful, then we have this one, which is Poison Apple. Look at that. And then we also have these ones, which is Oh Honey, which has a lot of yellow tones in it, and this gold is so good. I've done a tutorial using this on my Instagram. And then we have this, which is not my favorite because it has a lot of greens and I don't prefer green shades, especially on my eyes. But yeah, you have that. And then we also have this, which is Watermelon Splash. I felt like the pigment on this wasn't as good as compared to the others, but yeah, I definitely recommend you guys to, you know, check out this brand and check out these eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to have everything in the description box below, and I really hope that you'll enjoy this quick review and, you know, just watch video. And if you liked it, then please thumb it up, is that what you say? And share it with your friends, let them know about this product, and also subscribe to my channel for more such content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you.